So I got here to Walmart, right? And see that guy? He beat me to the toy section, so I came around. Look at what I found over here, man. Yeah. It's unbelievable, you know? He beat me to it, and then he's over there checking out the toy section. So I came to this encap. You know, I didn't want to make it obvious. I'm over here trying to check the Hot Wheels, you know, like I just passed by and I seen, I think it was like some of these case right here, the F case, which I pretty much got. It's just the super and the regular treasure hunt. But yeah, let's see what all he's got. But look at this, man. Look at here. So yeah, I was looking at these 9-packs too. Look, there's a bone shaker. There's another bone shaker. And another one. 3 packs with bone shakers. But shoot, I already got me one of those packs and 2 Skylines. But yeah, could not find the box or the rest of the set, but I'm not even mad. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. So look here, guys, this is today's date, March 20th, and Skylines. I just cannot believe it. Fast and Furious assorted.
Select payment type.
Crazy, huh? Crazy. But yep, that was today. Stay tuned, guys.